Hey, welcome to the Canopy neighborhood. This is my new listing at house number 29, 3001 Del Curto. What's awesome about this area is you're tucked away just off of South Lamar, so you feel like you're in this nice, vibrant community, which you are, but you're also just steps away from all of the luxuries and amenities that not only Austin downtown has to offer, but just a quick walk up to South Lamar. Why don't we take a look inside? This house has a ton of upgrades and I'm eager for you to see them. It's a large, spacious, functional room, right? Easy design, great room design, living room, kitchen, and dining all in one. Classic white kitchen, plenty of space for storage, quartz countertops, and these views. Green space, outdoors all day long. A lot of fun touches. Some of them are pretty interesting. So, wonderful living room. You like to entertain, you like to have 15 people over to hang out and watch the big game. This space will fit you. Not only is it spacious, you've got closet and storage behind your entertainment center, and most importantly, open greenbelt views behind you, green space everywhere. So what's nice about this room, when you're creating that privacy and that intimacy in the space, so having the frosted window here, right, there are no sight lines. You kind of feel, it kind of adds a little extra, why do we feel tucked up under the trees? It's these small little touches throughout the house and these upgrades that are really elevating the space. So I also like to point out kind of these decorative features. The doorknobs, I think those are from Anthropologie or some designer, something special and fancy, I'm sure. Small touches like this are kind of the epitome of the house. And a fun thing, if you're an artist, and I know that I'm not an artist, but I'm a fan of art, this is an art display wall. So as you can see, we've got our art prominently displayed, but throw your kid's art on here, stick it on the magnet wall. So great office space. This is our 4th bedroom. We've got it set up for an office here. Bright open room, fans, cans, closet space as well. Have a nice space to, whether you're working from home or taking Zoom calls, that sort of thing. And what's nice is you're close to the living quarters, but you're tucked away, so it's private and you kind of have your own office suite, but you're still part of the house and you don't feel too far away. Who likes a moody powder room? I do, you do, come on in. Ooh. Sconces, wallpaper, upgraded touches, brushed bronze on the features there. So just a little fun powder room, and I enjoy it when your guests aren't here. So you can enjoy your guests enjoying it, that's why we do it. Decorative white, handles up the stairs, and then we kind of go into our sleeping quarters. So up here you've got all the bedrooms, really nice, big sized rooms, oversized rooms as far as bedrooms go. So these are, again, big, bright spaces, oversized rooms in here. And so this is one of 3 bedrooms upstairs. Large closets. One of the benefits and features of this house is a lot of closet space and a lot of storage space. So we're gonna go in here, this is our shared bath, or if there's only one person upstairs, and this would be an ensuite for them as well, with direct access into the bedroom. So another big room. Overhead fan, overhead light, large closet space. The bookcase, the big windows, giving that brightness, and of course, right, we're in Canopy, so we have these tree views here. So everything in the laundry comes, so it comes with the unit, so both the LG washer and dryer will come with the house, so think of it that way. Free washer and dryer. So let's head on into the primary. Bright, soft primary bedroom. This is a queen size bed in here to kind of give you an idea for scale. You can easily fit a king size in here. You're getting the afternoon sun coming in. A nice, bright room. And remember, we're winning with closet space. So I've got something to show you over here. This is your first closet. So in the bathroom, this is the primary bathroom. Again, large storage area. I mean, personal items. I don't even know how many personal items you own, but they will all fit inside here. Double vanity, again, brushed bronze, black tile. Windows out back. Again, under the canopy, kind of get that tree view. Remember I told you about that closet? We talked about it. That's because your partner has that closet. You get this closet. Why is this closet important? Because this is the one that controls the internet. So you technically have the most magic power in the house. It's a good closet to have. So what's great about house number 29 and what's unique about this lot is it actually has the most trees of anyone in the neighborhood. So they definitely have a lot of tree envy for your space back here. You're under the canopies and the green space behind you. The HOA handles all your landscaping as well as the trees and maintenance in the area behind you as well. So everything is always going to look full and manicured and taken care of in a very Austin natural kind of way. Hey, well, I'm Bishop Chappell, and if you need to reach me to talk about this house, you can reach me at the information below, my phone number, or reply to this email, or make a comment and we'll start the conversation from there. If you'd like to learn more about the South Lamar area or 78704, I'm your guy.